Look, we have our students as developers, and look at the stuff they talk about. So basically software design is like you don't trust nobody. The user data gave it to you, external services, everything's gonna fail. How are you gonna mitigate that fail? The only thing we can trust is ourselves, is our database. Yep.
And then run this absolute mammoth of a command.
Can you talk a bit like how you learn all these things?
I looked at the quick start guide, I believe. I looked at this, found the actual logs.
That's huge. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It's delivered.
That was quick.
What?
Yeah.
Nice. A year later, we're gonna have like developer who are like 9-year-old, 80-year-old. We're gonna use them to replace you guys. Okay?
I don't know about that.
Workflows, they're called DAGs, and it's so much better. Super custom, super interactive.
Okay, that's a bad joke. I better scale back.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you guys excited about what's coming next?
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
Wait. I heard David said, well.
No, I said, whoa, like we're moving on to the second project almost.
Yeah, we're chugging.
Yeah.
I thought David says, well, Michael, to be honest.
I hate email management.
I thought you were gonna say I hate you, but that's.
Oh no, no, you're doing your best.
I think I need to do better. Not my best. I need to do better. Be awesome. Get stuff done, and I think we should feel proud of the stuff we do.
So that's it. That's the secret. That's what started it all.